The next reason why your handyman is worth $100 an hour, I wrote, because that's what it costs for you to choose work over family or personal time. So what this means for me anyways, I value my family more than I value anything. They are the most important thing in the world. I've got 4 kids, one of them's grown, the others are very young, 2 of them are identical twins that are 2 years old. I've got my wife, and I've got a community of people who depend on me, and whom I'd like to spend time with. I have friends that I rarely get to see. If you want to take even more of my time, I'm already charging over $100 an hour for my time, and I still can't get the work to go away. There's just always more of it, and it all needs to get done. So to take more of my time, my personal time, my family's time, if you want some of that after everybody else has already taken all of it, you're going to have to pay me a lot of money to give up even more time with my family, because the truth is, for $100 an hour, I would rather be home with my boys, playing with them, teaching them, cuddling with them, just spending time with them in general. I would rather be with them and with my wife and with my extended family, or camping with a friend that I never get to see. I would rather do that than to be doing yet another toilet stay. So you're going to have to make it worth my while, and what makes it worth my while is more than $100 an hour.